On today's episode, we are going to go buy some drawer slides and some paint. This mustache is ridiculous. But I'm keeping it, so whatever. But yeah.
We aren't talking about large amounts of time. If Noah were to initiate a few minutes...
Alright, so I chose this darker color called Broadway from Bear. And that's the first coat right now, and it's looking pretty decent. I'm actually kind of digging it. It's not like all the way black, but it has like a little bit of like blue to it, I think, which I kind of dig. So I'm gonna slather on a couple more layers and see if I like it. Then I'll go actually like buy a can of it and then pretty much do the whole box with it. And then I'll have natural wood finishes to it, so it should contrast pretty well. Alrighty, next up is going to be putting some drawer slides on the drawer. We have a problem. Where the wheel well is right there, it's pressing on the board this way. Oh boy. Alrighty, so far today, fixed some drawers that weren't lining up very well, so luckily my buddy Kyle helped me out there. And secondly, getting this table finished up. Got a coat of oak poly stain on there right now. It's gonna look pretty good once it starts drying. This paint, I'm really loving it. It's called Broadway from Bear, and it looks pretty slick, especially with that two-tone going on. So, just kind of planning on what to do next. Might build out some dividers for my drawers, and probably leave a lot of more of the finishing work once I get back on the road, because I have to leave in, today's Saturday, I gotta leave Wednesday morning. I'm gonna have some Mexican tile delivered to my friend's house in Iowa, and yeah, just start finishing up as I hit the road. So, but for now I'm letting this thing dry so I can put one more coat of the stain on there, and hopefully I can put it back into my van today. We'll see. I have to leave it here overnight with the fan. Yeah, might start doing the dividers for the drawers. I'm not sure. I'm kind of lazy right now, so we'll see.